Hey everyone, my name is Amogh and I'm currently doing the Elite Editor Academy course. Before I started this course, I was stuck as an editor. I didn't know what to do to grow beyond that mediocre equilibrium that most editors are in. And this course really taught me to psychologically change the way I think and to approach a YouTube video as if I was to edit a movie. And that really shifted my thought process, and I saw an immediate impact on my clients and how they perceive the work that I gave them. I went from a retainership of about $300 a month to now $1,200, and I have reduced workload, and that is significant. I found Josh on a Will Tennyson video, and I realized that he was the main editor for Will Tennyson. So he's someone with a ton of experience, and that is what I wanted. I wanted to be learning from someone that has real world experience and editing for someone that I'm a huge fan of. I feel like this course is invaluable for people who are stuck at a certain stage of editing where they want to learn something beyond that.